Hello, welcome to lesson 4 of Mastering Java. Here we're going to learn how to deal with two-dimensional arrays in the Java programming language. It's a topic that can give some people trouble, but I think with a couple of quick examples and the exercise that we have for you here, it'll be very clear. Basically, we have already learned the concept of an array. What we've really learned before is really, if we were to be explicit, we would call it a one-dimensional array, because in the previous examples when we did arrays, we basically had let's say, 10 slots of type integer, and we kind of had them all under the same name, and we can access any of those slots using the index from 0 to 9, for instance, if there's 10 elements in that array. But they all kind of would exist in sort of one line, so we would call that one-dimensional. That's great for just storing information, like ages or revenue figures or something like that. You just need to keep it all in one place. But Java provides the ability to create two-dimensional arrays. And the main advantage of that, you don't use it that often, but when you use it, usually you're trying to build some kind of database or some other storage mechanism where it's very helpful to visualize it in terms of a table. So in the previous times when we were learning about arrays, I'm going to go ahead and make a comment here. I'm going to show you some stuff in the comments before we write any code down. Previously, before, when we were doing a one-dimensional array, I might be storing the, ages of my friends. And I might say, 22, 43, 32, 77. And these may be the ages of the people. And in previous lessons, we learned how to create an array that has 4 elements that can store an integer. And we already learned how to put those values in to the different elements of that array. We learned that. But in many cases, it's useful to store things and think of things in terms of a table. For instance, let's say I was going to create a table